going on, guys? Welcome back to Drive Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. This vehicle is powered by a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 with 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. And this one has a 6-speed manual transmission. It is also available with the 10-speed automatic transmission. Obviously the manual is a lot cooler. I'm always going to take the manual option in any car. If a car comes with the manual, there's no way I'm getting the automatic, ever. And I stand behind that. So this car also has the auto red matching assist, which I'm going to turn on. Makes it a lot more fun. I love auto red match, automatic red matching in manual transmission cars these days, especially in these. Like, this is like, the CT4V Blackwing, CT5V Blackwing, basically the same thing right here, transmission wise and horsepower, everything. So it's gonna be really fun. So yeah, I've never driven a ZL1 before, and I realized I never even made a video on a Corvette, in a Camaro before on my channel. So I think this will be pretty cool. It's pretty cool how the first Camaro video on this channel is going to be on a ZL1. This has Recaro seats with the ZL1 badge on it, which looks really cool. It's leather with Alcantara, also says Recaro on it. These are pretty comfortable bucket seats actually, because it's like leather and really good lateral support and everything. You have a Alcantara steering wheel, Alcantara shift knob. You have Tour, Sport, Track, and Snow/Ice mode. We're going to drive in the Sport mode, of course. Probably not in Track mode though. You have a screen over here. It's a little small and it kind of points downwards, which I always thought was weird in Camaros, how it points down. But you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, pretty standard, GM screen right there. You have ventilated seats and heated seats. It's pretty impressive how these Recaros have ventilated and heated seats, so that's really cool. Typically you don't see bucket seats like this having ventilated function, but they usually do have heated seat function. Parking brakes over there. Here's your center console. I tossed the keys in there. Let's walk around the vehicle and then we'll go for a drive. So yeah, these are just, I think it's kind of redundant to have a rev match assist, two rev match assist buttons in place of the shift paddles, because this comes with the shift paddles from the automatic, but I guess they just didn't want to make a whole new steering wheel for the manual, so they just made them rev match buttons. It looks kind of weird with the manual transmission having having shift paddles on it, It is a little hard for me to get in and out of this thing though, because it's so low to the ground and I'm pretty tall, so I have a hard time getting in and out of coupes and really low vehicles. Those seats look awesome, as you can see. White exterior, looks really, really cool. You have a carbon fiber hood. I like the wheels a lot, they look awesome. You have ZL1 brake calipers too. Really aggressive front end, looks sick. You have a front lip. This is a really aggressive looking car. Brembos, these are ZL1 Brembos. Nice. Carbon fiber spoiler, giant carbon fiber spoiler, that too. You have quad outlet exhausts. And I like the clear taillights on this. I don't know if all of these come with clear taillights. I doubt it. Here's a trunk. It does have rear seats, but you can't really, it's kind of hard for anyone smaller than a child to fit in the rear seats. But I think they're folded down to fit whatever this box is in this car. So yeah, the rear seats are folded. You have a capless fuel filling system, premium fuel only. But anyways, enough with the walk around. Let's get this out on the road. And by the way, this vehicle is for sale at Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine. So if you're interested in it, you can click the link in the description below after you check out the video. I like the red seat belts. That's cool. Yeah, I do like the seats in this car a lot. They're really good. Just takes a little bit for me to get adjusted. And the clutch is really weird. It's like heavy and then springy at the same time. Like, that's really weird. All right. So yeah, it's super heavy at the beginning and then it just springs back up, so you have to be aware of that. It just takes a second to get used to it in this car. And it's really hard to see out of this thing. because the rear view, you do have the camera mirror to help out with that. Like the blind spots are virtually non-existent. I can't see anything out of the blind spots. That's the problem with Camaros. It's so hard to see out of them. And Corvettes. Oh my God. Just those burbles are crazy. What the heck? That is so cool. Sounds amazing. So yeah, you do have a wireless charging tray in here, but you can't really, it's like behind the center console, which is a strange design, and my phone doesn't even fit. I think it's for like older phones, because like I have an iPhone 14 Pro or something. God. Those burbles are crazy. That exhaust is insane, guys. It feels really similar to the CT4V Blackwing and CT5V Blackwing in terms of like how the shifter and the clutch and everything feels overall. It's really, really similar. And I've driven the manual variants of both. Oh my God. That is so fun. And even the A-pillars are really big. It's just so hard to just see out of this car. nice steering. Absolutely bonkers how this car drives. This car is so much more fun to drive than a C8 Corvette or something like that. Way more fun. There's nothing like a manual transmission with 650 horsepower. That's why I love the Cadillac CT5e Blackwing so much. Like a sedan with 668 horsepower and a 6-speed. Like even a 650 horsepower manual transmission coupe is nuts. There's like barely any cars out there that have that kind of power, let alone with a manual transmission. So kudos to GM for keeping cars like this alive. But we have now returned to Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine, so that concludes today's video on this 2022 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 with a 6-speed manual transmission. Absolute blast to drive this car, crazy power, really fun driving experience, and there's really not many cars out there, as I mentioned, with 650 horsepower with the 6-speed manual. So it's a really rare driving experience and really fun. But thanks as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of high-performance pre-owned vehicles like this Camaro ZL1.